All right, so today I'm going to talk a little bit about Kenda Vezda UHP Max. Their KR20A, I believe, is the model name. I put them on the Viper, and that's a 275 35 18 in the front, 335 30 18 in the rear. I'm going to do a little review on these tires because when I was looking, I couldn't find a lot. And some people use them for autocross, some people use them for daily driving, and some people use them for drifting because they seem to have a wide range of temperature operation and stability. And they're a really cheap tire, and I'll talk about that some more. The options for the Viper weren't great for a road tire, so I decided to give these a whirl as it is a project in progress. So we're going to take a ride, and we're going to talk about these tires, how they perform, and my impressions of them per dollar for anybody who's shopping. Okay, so we're going to do a little test riding in the 96 Viper GTS with the Kenda Vezda UHP Max summer tire. I believe the model name is KR20A. These tires are super cheap. I bought them on simpletire.com. I got the set of four for $833 shipped. Again, that's 275 35 18s, 335 30 18s in the rear. I was looking for a road tire. The car had Toyo R888s on it. They were worn out. They were very old. I wanted something I could actually drive the car with, but hopefully hook up. So they're 200 tread wear, AA temperature, A traction, and they're only speed rated to 168, which isn't OEM spec for this car, but I'm never going to exceed that. And I know there's other reasons why that exists other than the speed you'll travel. But again, these are just for now. I'm looking to get some stock tires, or stock wheels and tires for the car eventually. So this is my review of them. When I go to shop for them, you know, I'm looking and I'm not seeing a lot. So I figured I'd make this video for anybody that might be on the fence, to give a little feedback from someone who actually ponied up and bought them, you know, and hopefully it helps somebody else out there make a decision. All right, let's head out. One thing I've noticed about these tires right off the bat is the traction advantage over the old R888s. Those were very tired. They were in bad shape. And I was able to take my 60-foot time in this car. I did 1/4 mile run just for reference. I was able to cut a 2.1 60 foot with the car with no spin, so I could go harder for sure. But this is a car that has probably around 540 horsepower at the flywheel. So it's got a lot of power to hold, you know, for a cheap tire to not blow that off. For one, that's pretty impressive. The road noise, the only thing I can say is this car is so fucking loud that I can't tell you much about road noise. I don't notice it, but this car has side pipes and extremely loud exhaust. What I can tell you about ride quality, it's phenomenal. It's better than the R888s for sure. Those were very old, but this car was never expected to be that comfortable, so I think these are as good as any other tire. I've taken it through some twisties on back roads and stuff like that. Not a lot. I've only put about like 100 miles on the tire since I got them. And the grip is great. Like I said, it's a 200 tread wear tire. It's as good as any other 200 tread wear tire I've ever had. And for the money, like I said, it's not available in a ton of sizes, so look it up for your application. But I think you'd be shocked, and I think that they're worth giving a chance. Again, if I had like, if I was doing autocross stuff or whatever, and I wanted a cheap tire, if I was tuning them up on track days, I wouldn't think twice about buying these for that. They seem to hold up really well. From all the stuff I read in forums and groups, guys use them for drifting because they operate in a wide temperature range. There's really not a lot to scoff at, but again, a set of four of these tires for $833 shipped, then I paid the dealership $120 to mount them in balance, so I'm under $1,000 for a set of tires on this car. Anything else would have been $1,800 probably, so damn near half off. I hope the audio is good enough. I'm trying to talk loud because this car is so goddamn loud. But yeah, I guess this video, you know, it's just really my endorsement, if it means anything. If you're looking, I put them on my Viper. You know, if you